Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. Today I am going to be testing some lightweight shotgun slugs which are basically made of dirt. I started by mining some loess, a hard white clay that is abundant throughout much of Idaho. Next, I ground the clay into a fine powder using my homemade rotary tumbler. I mixed the powdered clay with a little bit of powder coating powder to act as an adhesive binder. Then I compacted the powder into pellets with my hydraulic press. I baked the pellets to cure the adhesive and then loaded them into shot shells. All right, let's see if these dirt clod bullets actually shoot. Okay, so we got 2 holes in the target, and I should point out that the target board in these regions is pretty well shot away behind the paper, so these are really just holes in the paper. We have a faint circular impression right here on a more solid part of the target. We have a couple of additional dents, and then we have a big dent in the backing board over here. Now, given that these bullets have approximately the aerodynamics of a soup can, I was not expecting superlative accuracy, but a 15-inch group at 25 yards is still worse than I was expecting. So the very poor accuracy coupled with these additional dents that I'm seeing leads me to believe that these things may be fragmenting as they come out of the barrel, or at least partially fragmenting. We obviously have some pretty big pieces that are making it to the target, but even those are not going through our plywood backing. So once again, I think this was an interesting concept to try out, but it's probably not a very practical slug. Nevertheless, why don't we shoot a milk jug with it and see what happens? So looking at this jug, we see a very clear entrance hole, and obviously the slug transferred enough kinetic energy for the hydrostatic shock to split the jug open, and then there's absolutely no exit hole. Looking at the other jug, we actually see 3 entrance holes, but the overall effect is really quite similar. So maybe for very short-range applications where over-penetration is a significant concern, something like this might actually find a niche application. I don't know. In any case, until next time, thanks for watching the Idahoan Show.